Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Forte. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.